Deepseek AI is unlike anything you've seen before. Imagine a system that not only understands your preferences but anticipates your needs. It doesn't just react to what you do, it predicts what you will do. This isn't sci-fi. This is Deepseek. And here are the top 10 things you absolutely need to know about it. 1. Personalization like never before. Most AIs know your preferences from the data you provide, but Deepseek goes a step further. It doesn't just suggest things based on your previous choices, it dives deep into the patterns of your behavior, your mood, and even your subconscious desires. Whether you're looking for a product or deciding what movie to watch, Deepseek knows you better than you know yourself. 2. Emotional intelligence. Forget what you know about robotic responses. Deepseek can read emotions. Yes, this AI can pick up on the mood of a conversation, the tone in your messages, even subtle changes in your voice or face. It knows when you're happy, stressed, or upset, and it tailors its responses accordingly. It's like having an assistant that's always emotionally in sync with you. 3. Data security, but better. Here's the kicker. With all that personal information, can we trust it? The answer is yes. Deepseek is designed with the highest levels of data encryption and privacy protection. It doesn't just store your data, it processes it securely, ensuring that no one but you gets access to your personal information. 4. Autonomous problem solving. Imagine you're stuck in a jam, whether it's a work problem or a life decision, and instead of searching for answers, Deepseek anticipates your issue and provides a solution before you even ask. This AI isn't just reactive, it's proactive, constantly scanning for problems it can solve, often before you even realize there's a problem. 5. Predicting your future. One of the most mind-blowing features of Deepseek is its ability to predict your next move. It doesn't just analyze your past, it uses that data to forecast your future actions and needs. Whether it's planning your next vacation or even predicting your next career move, Deepseek is there, anticipating your every step. 6. Adaptability in a fast-paced world. As the world changes, Deepseek changes with it. New trends, new challenges, new opportunities, it's all part of the AI's adaptability. Deepseek doesn't just keep up with the times. It stays ahead of them, constantly learning and adjusting to ensure you're always one step ahead in a rapidly shifting world. 7. Constantly learning from you. Unlike other AIs that are limited to pre-programmed responses, Deepseek gets smarter with every interaction. It learns from your feedback, adapting and evolving its behavior based on what works for you. It's an AI that grows alongside you, becoming more intuitive with time. 8. A true partner, not just a tool. Deepseek doesn't work for you, it works with you. It's not just an assistant, it's a partner. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, solving complex problems, or just need guidance, Deepseek is there to collaborate, not just to follow commands. 9. The ethical dilemma. With all this power, we have to ask, can we trust Deepseek? What happens when AI knows more about us than we know about ourselves? While it promises incredible benefits, there are concerns about data privacy, autonomy, and the balance of power. It's a conversation that's only beginning. 10. The future of Deepseek AI. So what's next for Deepseek? The future is limitless. As it continues to evolve, Deepseek will only get better at predicting, understanding, and assisting. But the real question is, how will it change us? Will we be ready for the kind of AI that can think, feel, and predict like a human? Or will we be outpaced by our own creations? Deepseek isn't just another tech innovation. It's a glimpse into a future where AI not only complements our lives, it shapes them. As the lines between human and machine blur, one thing's for sure, we'll never look at AI the same way again.